So like you said, you have now started doing investments
Yeah.
in real estate. So your purpose is to create rental income, or you want quick flipping, buying, selling? आपकी कौन सी वाली approach रहती है?
Both the options are available to me, and I'm open to it for passive income. That will primarily be for rental. It can be a commercial or residential, both
Yeah.
India and abroad. Yeah. So let's say investing into UAE, Dubai.
अच्छा.
It has a meaning to it because when you look at investing into real estate in Dubai, the yields are good. Rather say yields are better than investing in India.
Yeah.
And when you are investing the same amount and with a better yield, that becomes lucrative. But always to mention, asset class is real estate.
How would you compare Gurgaon to Dubai?
Yeah.
अगर आपको एक कंपैरिजन करना हो फॉर रियल एस्टेट इन्वेस्टमेंट, आप कैसे देखते हो गुड़गांव वर्सेस दुबई?
Gurgaon, little more commercial than Dubai.
Commercial in the sense?
When I say commercial in the sense is the nature.
Okay.
Both are fast paced
Yeah.
when it comes to real estate.
Yeah.
Absolutely competing like Formula One. Investing into Gurgaon, what I feel, the prices have elevated.
Yeah.
And that's for a reason. Too much of migration.
Yeah.
Or people coming into Gurgaon, looking at Gurgaon as a potential investment opportunity.
Yeah. From all across the globe.
From all across, yes.
Yeah.
Why not? And then giving yield to the end user. Second way to look at it. Commercial opportunity. Third way to look at it. Dubai, I think what I understood in detail was you would have 200 nationalities living in Dubai.
Yeah. Agree.
And it's a global hub. Let's say global transit hub, where people come in, they stay, small tenure, longer tenure.
They work, they earn.
So I think from that perspective, the yield that comes out of the rental or the passive income is a little more than in Gurgaon.
No, 100%. गुड़गांव में अगर हम रेजिडेंशियल की बात करें तो रेंटल यील्ड इज समवेयर अराउंड 2 to 4% मैक्सिमम, इससे ऊपर नहीं जाती. बट यही अगर हम दुबई में जब जाते हैं तो इट कैन गो फ्रॉम 7% to 10% to even 11% also.
Correct.
So definitely there's a huge difference. थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्टर को बस ये होता है कि ये मेरी कंट्री है. बाहर जब आप जाते हो तो आपकी कंप्लायंस भी बढ़ जाती है, आपकी हेडेक भी बढ़ जाती है, आपको रिसर्च में भी उतना ही ज्यादा टाइम लगाना पड़ता है. बट एक ऐसा फिनोमेना मैंने देखा है कि इंडियंस आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन दुबई एंड पीपल लिविंग इन दुबई इन्वेस्ट इन इंडिया. ये टू एंड फ्रो दोनों साइड से ही चल रहा है इस टाइम.
See, it's just 2.5 hour flight, to be honest.
एंड क्योंकि वहां पे रेंटल यील्ड्स अच्छे हैं, उसकी वजह से अगर हम पॉपुलेशन कंपेयर करेंगे ना, पूरी दुबई की पॉपुलेशन इज प्रोबेबली 30 lakhs, मे बी 40 lakhs मैक्सिमम. बट वहां पे वो जो पॉपुलेशन है दैट इज 1% ऑफ द एंटायर वर्ल्ड, दैट इज द क्रीम.
करेक्ट.
तो वहां पे रेंटल यील्ड्स इसीलिए हाई है क्योंकि वहां पे जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो हैं, जो जिस तरह के लोग वहां रह रहे हैं, दे डोंट माइंड पेइंग. इंडिया में अभी उतना रेंटल नहीं आ रहा.
But again, per square feet cost is much elevated right now in Delhi NCR specifically. I don't know about other states in India, but yes,
अगर आपको इन्वेस्ट करना हो, would you rather prefer a residential or a commercial? Residential for your first investment.
The first, let's say second investment. Okay. I've already made one, which
that is your home. उसमें तो आपने रहना है. ठीक है.
And then commercial.
Why do you say that?
Generally.
Does it look safer? Does it feel safer?
Let's say feel safer.
Okay. And also, what I tell everyone is that residential is more towards I would say less risky, because उसमें क्या होता है, आपकी सिर्फ 11 months की लीज होती है. Even if you're not happy with your tenant, it will be over in 11 months. And अगर आपको पैसा बढ़ाना है तो 11 महीने के बाद आप दूसरा टेनेंट ढूंढ सकते हो at a 10%, maybe 15% higher the rental cost.
Understood.
But commercial में क्या होता है, it is 9 years, 18 years, lease. 21 years lease. तो पहले तो उसको चढ़ाना मुश्किल है, बट जब चढ़ जाता है तो देन इट यू आर कमिटिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट 9 years to 18 years.
Understood.
सो वो बहुत एक लंबी कमिटमेंट हो जाती है, उसके बीच में आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
So there's too many apprehensions, too many questions to answer.
Yeah.
Suitability is very important.